Hi, this is Bill Macpherson for Expert Village. Okay, in this clip I'd like to take you through the steps of importing a video and converting it into a Flash video into your Flash website. So you want to go under File, Import, Import Video. Now this will bring up a window and you want to choose your movie file. Hit continue. Now there's different ways to deploy this video. We're going to choose progressive download from a web server, which is the most standard way, unless you have some sort of streaming service. You also could set it up for a mobile device or to play in your timeline if you were creating a more complicated Flash movie. So we're going to hit continue on this. Now this is where you could set your quality level for the compression that it's going to be using for video and audio. You could crop and resize it if you'd like. We're going to leave it as is. Hit continue. Now this here is the components that it'll set up for, of course, play, stop, fast forward, volume control. You can choose different ones with different looks. Make it external. Now what Flash will do is create its own shockwave file for just this controller. And when you export or publish your Flash document, which will automatically be created for you. We'll hit continue. Now everything that I just discussed, they let you know about right here, and you can read about it in case you missed anything. And once I hit finish here, it'll compress our file to a Flash video and place it on our stage. This can take some time depending on the file size. And that's how you import a video into Flash. I'm Bill Macpherson for Expert Village.